Everything has become digital nowadays with touch screens and gotten smaller and smaller, and it's pretty amazing. But I miss buttons and knobs and dials. I miss the feeling of holding a point and shoot camera. I use my Ace Pro 2 all the time. It's a great action camera. It's waterproof, it's tough, it does all the things, has great image quality in bright light and then low light, but it has the same problem that I have with all action cameras. It's just not great for casual use. Action cameras are great when you're trying to capture adventure, but they're just not all that comfortable to hold and to carry around if you're trying to do casual sightseeing. This is the Xplorer Grip Pro, and it transforms the Ace Pro 2 into a point and shoot camera, giving you the best of both worlds. My exclusive affiliate link is down in the description. I'd appreciate it if you use it if you decide to purchase the Xplorer Grip Pro. It helps support the channel. Thanks. You remove the USB-C cover, slide the Ace Pro 2 into the grip, close the latch and plug in the USB-C, and you're good to go. One thing to remember when the camera is in the grip, it is no longer waterproof. I really like the look of the kit and it feels really good in my hand. It's way more comfortable than holding the Ace Pro 2 by itself. It comes with a strap that can be mounted in 2 locations. The grip has some really cool features. The grip has a 2010 milliamp battery, allowing you to record for 5 hours and 40 minutes when you keep it to the minimal settings, or you can record up to 140 minutes if you record in 4K 60, and that's on top of the battery that's already in the Ace Pro 2. Here is the USB-C port, and this looks like a micro SD card slot, and it is, but it's only meant to hold the memory card. It doesn't actually provide additional memory to the camera. On the bottom is a mounting plate so you can attach it to a number of accessories like the multi-mount. I have the flip screen hood attached to my camera. It is a separate accessory. The hood is nice when it's bright outside. It makes it so much easier to see the screen. It is secured to the camera by a magnetic plate so you can remove it when it isn't necessary. When the Ace Pro 2 is in the mount, you can still flip up the screen and use it for selfies and vlogging. There's a cold shoe if you want to attach an external mic or a light. There's a 3.5mm audio jack. This red piece is a cover to keep water from damaging the grip. There's a shutter button, and it can actually be removed and replaced to give your grip a one-of-a-kind look. The zoom knob lets you go from 1x to 2x smoothly. With the dial, you can quickly change the exposure, the filters, or mode. You can select which one you want to adjust in the Xplorer Grip settings in the Ace Pro 2. The Xplorer Grip Pro is a great accessory if you want to get the most out of your Ace Pro 2 and a major upgrade from the Xplorer Grip. The Xplorer Grip can't do half the things the Pro can. It doesn't have a shutter button, zoom knobs, dials. It isn't integrated into the Ace Pro 2 operating system. Overall, I was really impressed with the Xplorer Grip Pro. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description if you want to learn more about it.